Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss important MCQ questions on the national emblem of India. Before starting, let us tell you a little about the national emblem. The national emblem of India is a representation of the lion capital of Ashoka, which was originally erected by Emperor Ashoka during his reign in the 3rd century BCE. The emblem consists of 4 lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, courage, confidence, and pride. Only 3 lions are visible in the emblem at any given time, while the 4th lion is hidden from view. The base of the emblem features a lotus, which is the national flower of India, and there is also an inscription of the motto Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs, in Devanagari script. This motto is derived from the ancient Indian scripture, the Mundaka Upanishad. The emblem is often used on official documents, currency, and government buildings. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is: what is depicted on the national emblem of India? Option A, an eagle. Option B, a lion. Option C, a tiger. Option B, a bull. The correct answer is option B, a lion. Move on to the next question. The national emblem of India is based on which ancient artifact? Option A, the Sarnath lion capital. Option B, the Ashoka pillar. Option C, the Gupta pillar. Option D, the Khajuraho temple. The correct answer is option A, the Sarnath lion capital. Move to the next question. How many lions are shown on the national emblem of India? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option C, 4. Move to the next question. Which direction are the lions of the national emblem facing? Option A, all facing forward. Option B, all facing left. Option C, all facing right. Option D, different directions. The correct answer is option D, different directions. Move to the next question. What is inscribed below the lions on the national emblem? Option A, Satyamev Jayate. Option B, Jana Gana Mana. Option C, Vande Mataram. Option D, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The correct answer is option A, Satyamev Jayate. Move to the next question. In which language is the inscription Satyamev Jayate written? Option A, Hindi. Option B, Sanskrit. Option C, English. Option D, Urdu. The correct answer is option B, Sanskrit. Move to the next question. The national emblem of India is an adaptation of the capital of which historical figure? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Option B, Ashoka the Great. Option C, Harsha. Option D, Samudragupta. The correct answer is option B, Ashoka the Great. Move to the next question. Which element is included in the base of the national emblem? Option A, a lotus flower. Option B, a wheel. Option C, 4 animals. Option D, an inscription. The correct answer is option C, 4 animals. Move to the next question. The wheel on the national emblem is called the Ashoka Chakra. How many spokes does it have? Option A, 12. Option B, 24. Option C, 32. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option B, 24. Move to the next question. The national emblem of India was officially adopted on which day? Option A 15th August 1947. Option B 26 January 1950. Option C 1st January 1951. Option D 30 January 1952. The correct answer is option B 26 January 1950. Move to the next question. Who was primarily responsible for the design of the national emblem of India? Option A R.K. Lakshman. Option B Nandalal Bose. Option C Charles Correa. Option D K.S. Ranjit Singh Ji. The correct answer is option B Nandalal Bose. Move to the next question. What does Satyamev Jayate mean in English? Option A Truth alone triumphs. Option B Unity is diversity. Option C Peace and prosperity. Option D Freedom and justice. The correct answer is option A Truth alone triumphs. Move to the next question. Which pillar forms the base of the national emblem? Option A Ashoka pillar. Option B Hampi pillar. Option C Delhi pillar. Option D Sarnath pillar. The correct answer is option A Ashoka pillar. Move to the next question. How many animals are shown on the base of the national emblem of India? Option A 3. Option B 4. Option C 5. Option D 6. The correct answer is option B 4. Move to the next question. Which animals are depicted on the base of the national emblem? Option A lion, bull, horse and elephant. Option B tiger, bull, lion and horse. Option C lion, deer, horse and bull. Option D horse, elephant, bull and lion. The correct answer is option A lion, bull, horse and elephant. Move to the next question. The national emblem of India is a symbol of which type of governance? Option A monarchy. Option B democracy. Option C theocracy. Option D oligarchy. The correct answer is option B democracy. Move to the next question. Which part of the national emblem is not visible in its official description? Option A the rear side of the lions. Option B the Ashok Chakra. Option C the base inscription. Option D the lotus flowers. The correct answer is option A the rear side of the lions. Move to the next question. The lions on the national emblem are separated by which symbol? Option A lotus flower. Option B a wheel. Option C an inscription. Option D a circular base. The correct answer is option A a lotus flower. Option D a circular base. Move to the next question. Which historical figure lion's capital inspired the national emblem of India? Option A Emperor Ashoka. Option B Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Option C Emperor Harsha. Option D Emperor Samudragupta. The correct answer is option A Emperor Ashoka. Moving to the next question. The national emblem of India was adopted during which period of Indian history? Option A British Raj. Option B pre-independence. Option C post-independence. Option D during the Mughal Emperor. The correct answer is option C post-independence. Move to the next question. What feature of the national emblem symbolizes the eternal values of the nation? Option A, the lions. Option B, the Ashok Chakra. Option C, the motto. Option D, the base. The correct answer is option C, the motto. Move on to the next question. The national emblem was adopted on the day India became a republic. What is this day? Option A, 15th August 1947. Option B, 26 January 1950. Option C, 1st January 1951. Option D, 30 January 1952. The correct answer is option B, 26 January 1950. Move into the next question. Which Indian state has an emblem that prominently features the lion? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is the correct description of the Ashok Chakra on the national emblem? Option A, a sunburst symbol. Option B, a wheel with 24 spokes. Option C, a lotus with petals. Option D, a dharma wheel with 32 spokes. The correct answer is option B, a wheel with 24 spokes. Move to the next question. The lions on the national emblem are shown in what arrangement? Option A, in a single file. Option B, in a circle. Option C, in a half circle. Option D, in a row. The correct answer is option C, in a half circle. Move on to the next question. The inscription Satyamev Jayate is taken from which ancient text? Option A, the Bhagavad Gita. Option B, the Vedas. Option C, the Upanishads. Option D, the Ramayana. The correct answer is option C, the Upanishads. Move on to the next question. Which feature of the national emblem of India represents truth and righteousness? Option A, the lions. Option B, the Ashok Chakra. Option C, the motto. Option D, the base. The correct answer is option C, the motto. Move on to the next question. What is the purpose of the Ashok Chakra in the national emblem? Option A, to symbolize the sun. Option B, to represent justice and law. Option C, to denote peace. Option D, to indicate power. The correct answer is option B, to represent justice and law. Move to the next question. In which type of document is the national emblem of India typically used? Option A, government orders. Option B, currency notes. Option C, passports. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Moving to the next question. The national emblem is displayed on which of the following official items? Option A, government buildings. Option B, government stationery. Option C, official documents. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Move on to the next question. The lion capital of Ashoka was originally erected in which city? Option A, Lumbini. Option B, Bodh Gaya. Option C, Sarnath. Option D, Sanchi. The correct answer is option C, Sarnath. Move to the next question. What does the lotus flower in the national emblem symbolize? Option A, knowledge and learning. Option B, purity and beauty. Option C, strength and courage. Option D, prosperity and success. The correct answer is option B, purity and beauty. Move on to the next question. The national emblem of India was adopted as the official emblem in which year? Option 1947. Option B, 1950. Option C, 1951. Option D, 1952. The correct answer is option B, 1950. Move on to the next question. The four animals on the base of the national emblem represent which values? Option A, strength, courage, wisdom and justice. Option B, strength, peace, harmony and prosperity. Option C, courage, justice, peace and harmony. Option D, wisdom, justice, strength and peace. The correct answer is option B, strength, peace, harmony and prosperity. Move to the next question. The national emblem is used as a symbol of which Indian authority? Option A, the Prime Minister. Option B, the President. Option C, the Parliament. Option D, the Supreme Court. The correct answer is option B, the President. Move to the next question. The Ashok Chakra is situated in the center of which part of the national emblem? Option A, the base. Option B, the lions. Option C, the motto. Option D, the emblem's background. The correct answer is option A, the base. Move into the next question. What does the inscription Satyamev Jayate emphasize in Indian culture? Option A, the importance of education. Option B, the significance of freedom. Option C, the value of truth. Option D, the need for justice. The correct answer is option C, the value of truth. Move to the next question. Which feature on the national emblem signifies the Indian Republic's commitment to justice? Option A, the lions. Option B, the Ashok Chakra. Option C, the base. Option D, the motto. The correct answer is option B, the Ashok Chakra. Move to the next question. Which Indian state has a lion as a symbol in its state emblem? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Move into the next question. The national emblem of India is placed on which Indian currency? Option A, 1 rupee. Option B, 5 rupees. Option C, 10 rupees. Option D, 100 rupees. The correct answer is option D, 100 rupees. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is not a part of the national emblem of India? Option A, the Ashok Chakra. Option B, a lotus flower. Option C, 4 lions. Option D, the motto Satyamev Jayate. The correct answer is option B, a lotus flower. Move on to the next question. Which part of the national emblem symbolizes the principles of democracy and equality? Option A, the lions. Option B, the Ashok Chakra. Option C, the motto. Option D, the base. The correct answer is option C, the motto. Move on to the next question. Which animal is not part of the base of the national emblem? Option A, lion. Option B, elephant. Option C, bull. Option D, deer. The correct answer is option D, deer. Move to the next question. The inscription Satyamev Jayate is found on which part of the national emblem? Option A, above the lions. Option B, below the lions. Option C, on the Ashok Chakra. Option D, on the base. The correct answer is option B, below the lions. Move to the next question. The national emblem is a symbol of which form of governance in India? Option A, monarchic republic. Option B, democratic republic. Option C, parliamentary democracy. Option D, federal democracy. The correct answer is option B, democratic republic. Move to the next question. The national emblem of India has its origins in which historical period? Option A, ancient India. Option B, medieval India. Option C, colonial India. Option D, post-independence India. The correct answer is option A, ancient India. Move to the next question. Which of the following does not feature on the base of the national emblem? Option A, lotus. Option B, horse. Option C, elephant. Option D, bull. The correct answer is option A, lotus. Move to the next question. The motto Satyamev Jayate is written in which script on the national emblem? Option A, Devanagari. Option B, Roman. Option C, Persian. Option D, Arabic. The correct answer is option A, Devanagari. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.